In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a bill with USA Online or in the mobile app. First, sign in to your USAA account, either on the website or through the mobile app. Make sure you're on a secure connection, and if you're using the app, that it's updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Pay and Transfer or Bill Pay. The wording can vary slightly depending on your device, but both take you to the same place where you manage payments. If you haven't paid this company or person before, choose Add a Payee. A payee is simply who you're paying, like a utility company, a lender, or a service provider. Have your bill handy so you can pull the exact details. You'll be asked for the payee's name, their mailing address if required, and your account number with them. Enter this information carefully. The account number should match what appears on your statement, and the address should be the remittance address listed on your bill. Typos here can delay payments, so take a moment to double check. Next, choose the account you want to pay from. This is the funding account inside USA that will cover the payment, typically your checking account. Confirm you have sufficient funds before proceeding to avoid overdrafts or delays. Now enter the payment amount and the date you want the payment sent. You can choose today or schedule a future date. Keep in mind that some payments are sent electronically and can post quickly, while others may be mailed as a check and take longer to arrive. If your bill has a due date, pick a send date that gives enough time for processing. Many banks also have daily cutoff times, so payments scheduled after that time may process the next business day. Before you send anything, review all the details for accuracy. Confirm the payee name, address if shown, your account number with the payee, the funding account, the amount, and the payment date. This quick review helps prevent misdirected or late payments. When everything looks correct, click Submit or Send Payment. Wait for the confirmation screen to appear. This usually includes a confirmation number and the scheduled date. Finally, save or screenshot the confirmation for your records. Store it somewhere you can find later, just in case you need to reference it or track the payment. That's it. Your bill is on its way. If you follow these steps each time, paying bills through USAA becomes fast, reliable, and stress-free.